Car accidents are burdensome enough when everything works out smoothly. If the other driver is at fault, their insurance is supposed to pay to make everything right again. This often includes repairing or replacing your automobile, paying your medical bills, and compensating you for any missed time at work because of injuries. When a driver with no insurance hits you, this significantly complicates the legal process and puts a whole new dynamic on the situation. The state of Colorado mandates that all automobiles are to be insured. Additionally, proof of that insurance is required when you are registering a vehicle and every time you are driving. To help keep tabs on uninsured drivers, the state cross-references a list of registered vehicles with a list of insured vehicles supplied by Colorado insurance companies. When uninsured vehicles are detected, a notice is sent to the owners. Regardless, many motorists still allow their coverage to lapse, or simply don't carry enough coverage to meet minimum state requirements. To meet Colorado's auto insurance requirements, a driver must be able to provide proof of the following coverage: $25,000 per person for legal liability associated with bodily injuries, $50,000 per accident for legal liability when more than one person is injured, and $15,000 per accident for property damage other than the insured's automobile. Colorado is a fault insurance state, which means the person responsible for causing the accident is also responsible for paying all victims' medical bills and property damage. If the responsible party is uninsured and therefore unable to cover those expenses, you may be able to file a liability claim with your provider. However, you may find yourself at odds with your own insurance company. They may contend that you are partially at fault and reduce your compensation. Drivers are not required under Colorado law to carry uninsured, underinsured motorist protection. However, many drivers elect to add it to their policies because it affords extra protection if you are involved in an accident with an at-fault driver who is uninsured or not insured sufficiently to cover your losses. If you have been in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured driver, obtain their contact information, including any insurance information they may have, or a sworn statement claiming they have none, which your insurance provider may require. If you have suffered injuries in a car accident in the state of Colorado, it is important that you contact an experienced and qualified car accident attorney immediately. If the at-fault driver was not insured, it is even more imperative that you speak to an attorney as soon as possible. For a free initial consultation with Fuicelli Lee PC, contact us at 720-494-0444.